Welcome to Mystic Elements videos. My name is Maeven Eller-Five and I'm a practitioner at Mystic Elements. Today I'm going to share with you how you can use a selenite tower in place of a candle if you perhaps are not allowed to burn candles in your home, or you have concerns like most of us would leaving a candle lit during the day. Selenite towers resonate and elevate the energies you share with them. So if you place them by a stone that is for protection, then they amplify the protection of that stone. So with that in mind, today I'm going to show you how to do this. I would take some pieces of paper, just like you would for a candle, and write your intention. You can write as many as you'd like. For this purpose, we're going to first talk about drawing money to you. Who doesn't need a little money, huh? So you would write down your need, bring me money. Or you could say anything. I mean, be very thoughtful about this. This candle, a candle or this selenite tower is not just going to have it walk to your door. You have to also follow some steps to make these things happen, but it can elevate your intentions. So let's say, help me find a better job, any one of those items. You could write it 5 different ways. For that example, today I'm going to show you how to place your pieces of paper with your intentions written on them all around the tower. Stones that draw money are malachite and citrine, and we're going to show you. So we have different kinds of stones here. Right now I'm using polished malachite. I'm going to, spread those out a little bit. Then I'm going to take my citrine and also add that. These are also polished citrine, but you can also use your rough points or any kind of pieces you like. And just for an example, I'm showing you the different varieties. There's stones come in many varieties. And after you've added your energy, you can turn this on. It comes with a bulb that you can place inside of it. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see it with it on, but there's a hole up inside, an electrical light, and something to turn it on and off with. Switch, and there. Now, just like a candle, you can add your intentions to come down to bring you something, or if you want to remove something, I'm going to show you that. Let's say you want to take away negativity, you want to add protection, you want things that aren't going well for you to go away. So to take away negativity in your home, there's a big chunk of tourmaline. They come in all sizes. I wanted to show you. Then I have these smaller pieces. You can add any kind around, add them on there. And now you have a protection grid with your selenite tower as the center. This is a great way to amplify your personal intentions and not have to be gone all day worrying about that candle burning. So now you've done that for removing negative energy, right? Make sure you keep those under there. I have pink opal. These are some of my very most favorite stones to play. I like them because if you've had problematic relationships with matriarchal people in your family, your mom, your sister, they specifically focus on those of us who maybe have a little gaping hole inside from some troubles or problems we have with our mom. So the same thing, bring me closer to my mother. You can write on the paper. Help me understand my mother. And, ways to enhance that relationship. And once you've written them all down, then add your pink opal to those very lovely little things you've written about, and either send it out or bring it to you, either way. This is a great, inexpensive way, because once you buy this tower, you don't have to keep replacing it like you do a candle, but this is an economical and very safe way to amplify your intentions in the same way you would with a candle. We hope this has helped you and given you some great ideas. You're welcome to put shells and flower petals and all the kinds of things you're drawn to. Maybe a little token from your mom that meant a lot. Add that all in. It'll be encompassed in that energy. We wish you the very best here from Mystic Elements. Have a great day.